Introduction. Welcome to this deep dive summary of Make Time, How to Focus on What Matters. Every Day by Jake Knapp and John Zeratsky, two former Google and YouTube designers who decided to hack their routines to reclaim control over their lives. In this video, we'll walk through the entire book chapter by chapter and extract powerful lessons you can implement today. So, sit back, relax, and let's learn how to make time for what truly matters. Part 1. The Make Time Framework. The core idea of Make Time is that our daily lives are hijacked by two forces: the busy bandwagon and the infinity pools. The busy bandwagon is the culture of constant productivity, endless to-do lists, and packed schedules. Infinity pools are digital distractions, social media, emails, and Netflix, that never end. Knapp and Zeratsky propose a four-step framework to combat this. 1. Highlight. Choose one key task that matters most each day. 2. Laser. Beat distraction and stay focused. 3. Energize. Take care of your body to recharge your mind. 4. Reflect. Learn and adjust over time. Chapter-wise lessons. 1. Highlight. Choose one daily focus. Instead of managing your time, Make Time encourages managing your focus. Every morning, choose your highlight, the one activity you'll protect above all else. This could be a work goal, a family moment, or something personal. It should be meaningful and give you a sense of accomplishment. Lesson. Start each day by asking, what's the most important thing I want to make time for today? 2. Set a daily highlight. Tactics. The authors provide different strategies to pick your highlight. Urgency. What's pressing? Satisfaction. What will feel good to finish? Joy. What will bring happiness? Lesson. Don't let your day run you. Choose what matters and make space for it deliberately. 3. Laser. Beat distraction. To achieve your highlight, you must defend your focus. The laser section gives you tools to combat distractions, especially from your phone and screen time. Key tactics. Log out of social media. Use distraction blockers. Watch TV and YouTube intentionally, not passively. Leave your phone in another room. Lesson. Control your attention by controlling your environment. Fear. Laser mode strategies. To stay in laser mode, the authors recommend building barriers to distraction. Design your environment. Remove apps from your home screen. Use time boxing. Schedule your highlight. Use the reset ritual. Step away, breathe, and begin again if distracted. Lesson. Willpower is limited. Use design, not discipline, to protect your focus. 5. Energize. Recharge your body to fuel your brain. Energy is the foundation of focus. Without energy, we can't stay in laser mode or follow through on our highlight. The authors emphasize the importance of sleep, nutrition, movement, and mindfulness. Tactics. Go outside daily. Eat real food. Exercise regularly, even if it's just a walk. Get 7-8 hours of sleep. Lesson. You don't need superhuman will. You need energy to power your choices. 6. Create an energizing routine. Use preloaded energy rituals. Morning routines to start strong. Midday breaks like walking or journaling. Evening wind-downs to detach from devices. Lesson. Design rhythms in your day that naturally restore your energy. 7. Reflect. Adjust your system. Making time isn't a one-size-fits-all formula. Reflection helps you tweak and improve your tactics. The authors suggest daily journaling, 2 to 3 lines. Weekly reviews, what worked, what didn't. Lesson. Your system should evolve with you. Observe your patterns and experiment. 8. The power of defaults. Knapp and Zeratsky highlight the idea of setting defaults, small choices that become automatic. For instance, keeping your phone in grayscale, having an internet-free morning, setting highlight time on your calendar. Lesson. Design your default settings for productivity, not passivity. 9. Saying no gracefully. Time is finite. That means you have to say no to many things to say yes to your highlight. This includes social invites, meetings, and yes, even email replies. Lesson. Saying no is not selfish. It's essential. 10. Escape the busy bandwagon. The busy bandwagon tells us to hustle all the time, fill every slot, and check every box. But Make Time urges us to slow down, disconnect from the race, and focus on meaning. Lesson. You don't need to do more. You need to do what matters. 11. Reclaiming your attention. Knapp and Zeratsky suggest that attention is the true currency of our time. When we let apps and devices steal our attention, we lose control of our lives. Lesson. Attention is the gateway to happiness, focus, and deep work. 12. Digital minimalism. Bonus. Although not explicitly the title of a chapter, much of Make Time overlaps with the principles of digital minimalism, using tech deliberately and avoiding default scrolling. Lesson: make tech work for you, not the other way around. 13. Be a scientist of your own time. Finally, the authors encourage experimentation. Try tactics, track results, and evolve. The book includes over 80 simple tactics. Not all will work, but some will transform your life. Lesson: you are the expert on your time. Experiment until you find your flow. Conclusion: Make Time isn't about doing more. It's about doing what matters most. By choosing a daily highlight, focusing with laser precision, recharging your energy, and regularly reflecting on your process, you can escape the trap of busyness and live a more intentional life. Start tomorrow with one question: what's my highlight? Then protect it with your time, your energy, and your focus.